Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. In this session, we'll learn how to find the largest even number in an array of integers using JavaScript. Let's dive in. The goal is to identify the largest even number in an array. For example, in the array of 20, 40, and 200, the largest even number is 200. This program sorts the array in descending order and iterates through it to find the first even number. If no numbers exist, it returns undefined. Here's how it works. The program first sorts the array to ensure the largest numbers are checked first. It then iterates through the sorted array to identify the first even number. In these examples, the program correctly identifies the largest even number or returns undefined if no even numbers exist. The ESX version uses filter to extract even numbers from the array and mathmax to find the largest among them. It is concise and expressive. Edge cases include arrays with no even numbers, single element arrays, and arrays with negative numbers. This program handles these scenarios gracefully. In summary, this program efficiently finds the largest even number in an array, handling all edge cases and providing accurate results for valid inputs. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you